Yeah, hi. I don't really have like a whole intro prepared, so I'm just gonna talk. I've been doing crypto arbitrage for a few years, and at some point it just kind of became the main lens through which I look at this whole space. Like whenever something new drops, I'm immediately thinking about it from an arbitrage angle. The AI stuff specifically has been genuinely pulling my attention recently. Like there's actual substance there. So today I figured I'd just open up one of the platforms I've been quietly testing and walk through it while I'm at it. That's pretty much the whole plan. All right, so here we go. I'm on the main page, going straight to launch bot. Okay, it's loaded up. First thing to configure is the trading pair. And just so you understand the context, this bot runs across 20 plus exchanges at the same time. So you've got a lot of flexibility on which coin you pick. I'm just going BNB today, no particular reason, just familiar. Okay, toggling to live mode. And now I need to get my wallet address dropped in here. 1 second. Okay, that's done. Next, moving to capital allocation, setting it to, around there. That's where I want it. Risk level next. So think of this as just a tolerance setting. Basically how far into risky territory the bot is allowed to go when it spots an opportunity. I'm keeping mine pretty measured, not cranking it up. And then arbitrage strategy. This is just the operational logic the AI follows, which approach it prioritizes. Okay, I'm satisfied with how this is set up, pushing forward. So now it needs the deposit. And one thing worth noting here, you're not forced to deposit in BNB specifically. You can use whatever coin you've got on hand, and they'll take care of converting it on their end before the bot starts. I'm just going to grab what's convenient for me right now. Give me a second. Okay, submitted, tapping I have sent, and oh great, it's running. Looking at the dashboard here, trades going, win rate tracking, average spread, charts live, does the job. Now we're just in waiting mode. I'm gonna speed this part for you guys. Okay, we're back. I'm going in and hitting stop and withdraw now. Nice. So here's the full summary screen, how long it ran, number of completed trades, the strategy that was active, win rate, and the final profit after the platform fee's been taken out. Everything in one place. Okay, so hitting withdraw now, just letting that process for a moment. Okay, it's confirmed. Funds are making their way to my wallet, usually a few minutes. And I want to actually say something while we wait. So I want to be genuinely honest here for a second because I think it matters. I went through a stretch a while back where I was basically just hemorrhaging money to bad platforms. And the frustrating thing is, it wasn't because I was being reckless. I was doing research, reading through documentation, watching how other people talked about these projects. There was one specifically where I'd been running it for almost 6 weeks. Everything was functioning. I'd even done a couple of small withdrawals that went through fine. And then on like the third or fourth withdrawal, it just stalled indefinitely. And nobody could tell me why because there was nobody left to ask. That one genuinely messed with me for a bit. Not even just financially, just the feeling of having been that careful and still getting caught out. So I rebuilt my whole approach from scratch after that. Way more conservative entry, mandatory withdrawal tests at specific intervals, longer overall evaluation periods. This platform has been going through all of that and nothing's broken yet. I'll leave it at that. So if you're thinking about trying it, links in the description, also pinned in the comments. Go slow with it, that's all I'd say. And if you've got something on your mind about this, experiences, whatever, comment section's there. Cool, yeah, I'm done. See ya.